motherless snake! I'm going to gut him!
Idiota! Going to get himself killed.
Vaffanculo!
Where are you?
Come e get su camicia!
Drop it.
Kill me, you start the war, huh? My brother will tear this valley apart.
When people hear you broke Omerta, you'll be dead anyway.
Your word against mine?
How long have you been working with the Guardia? Or did Spadaro set this up?
Why don't we just...
Bastardo. He was a caporegime, Cesare.
He was a soldier. A rat.
We can't leave him here.
Brucia all'inferno.
There will be hell to pay for this.
Lucky we had nothing to do with it then. I drank too much. Came off the road. Terrible accident.
Easy. Ruggero. Welcome. As a friend, I vouch for your safety and the safety of your men. Sit.
So why am I here?
You know why.
I'm afraid you'll have to enlighten me.
This is a time for plain speaking. Bernardo, let's have this out, eh?
Ne guarda per an unwelcome visit to one of my ventures. Cost me a great deal.
And what does this have to do with me?
Corrado Bastone, his brother, led the police to my door. He broke Omerta and stole from me.
This is a serious accusation. Who make this claim?
Enzo Favara and Cesare Massaro.
Caruso, and a half-wit.
They're both trusted men.
That wretch Bastone colluded with the law. I demand that this be made right.
That is a lie.
If Corrado did this, then he acted alone.
A man in your position should keep his dogs under control.
My brother is dead. Mere dead. And you make these accusations?
What do you know, what speak, Tracy? The killing of a man of honor would be a cause for war.
We know nothing about that.
Enough! Enough! Please. Be reasonable, eh?
Are you going to make this right?
There's nothing for me to remedy. And nothing further to discuss.
Amore mio, we must take care. My father's mood has grown dark and he is quick to anger. He has men on the gates all through the night. I will not visit, for a while at least. Just know that I love you, forever, and with all of my heart. Isabella.
Baron Fontanella. Please. This way.
Go! Raffaele, sit. You said it was urgent, so please.
Perhaps, Bernardo, we could speak privately?
Anything you wish to discuss, you can say it here. Welcome to know in time.
Very well, then. There is a situation at my factory outside of Colezzolfo.
And what situation is that? I've heard of no problems.
Striking workers are making outrageous demands. Production's ground to a halt. Total shutdown. Something's happened with your man, Lorenzetti.
Lorenzetti's a friend, a trusted man. He's kept order there for years.
Seems things have changed. Because it is he supposedly behind this strike.
That I find hard to believe.
Perhaps you'll believe this. No signatory, of course, but only he could be behind this. And the workers take orders from him.
You are right to bring this to my attention. Thank you, Raffaele.
Always something with Fontanella.
There is. But this needs investigation. I leave that to you.
Okay.
Give me a moment.
Come, Enzo. Walk with me. Vincenzo Lorenzetti. He's known the Dawn since they were just boys. He broke strikes with me at the Fontanella factory in the 90s. This is out of character. Do what you can to track him down, but tread carefully. He'll know we're looking for him.
I'll find him. We can straighten this out.
Ask around. The man may have heard something. And talk to Tino. He has eyes everywhere.
Oh, Enzo.
Roberto, there's been some trouble at Fontanella's factory over in Colle Zolfo. You heard anything?
Meh. I don't hear much from that side of the valley. Seems to be trouble everywhere these days, though.
All right. Grazie.
Spadaro's brought in men from Agrigento.
He's impatient. Always has been.
Espada, you're from Colle Zolfo, aren't you? Have you heard anything from there recently?
Well, I heard the factory's closed. A lot of men out of work. Union trouble, most likely. It used to be bad there.
All right. Grazie. I'm going to find these Lorenzetti. Headed over to Colle Zolfo, so I could do with some backup.
I can't. My uncle wants 6 of us on the collection run in case Spadaro tries anything.
Ah, all right. You know anything about Lorenzetti?
Just what you heard. Vincenzo Lorenzetti. 4 men at Colle Zolfo. I tried talking to Pasquale. He fixes the machines over at the factory.
Will do. Be careful out there, Cesare.
You too. Eyes keen, huh? Hand on your knife.
Enzo, buongiorno.
Isabella, did you get my note?
I did, but I couldn't get out. Too many guards. But I miss you, amore mio. I'll keep trying.
I miss you too. Be careful.
It's already war, but nobody wants to call it that.
Either of you know Lorenzetti? A factory foreman. Seen him lately?
Vincenzo? Yeah, we play cards sometimes. Enrico here cleaned them out 3 weeks ago. Haven't seen him since.
Lucky Lorenzetti. Been on a losing streak for a long time. Heard he owes a lot of money, but keep that to yourself.
I will. Grazie.
You think he's in trouble?
Hope not. Still owes me 100 lira.
Enzo, come stai?
Oh, Valerio. I'm looking for someone. Lorenzetti from Colle Zolfo. You know him?
Only by name. But some of the boys play cards with him. They might know more. Watch yourself in Colle Zolfo, you capisti? The Spadaro thing could boil over any day. I can feel it. You want to take something to protect yourself? Got some beautiful weapons from America. Shame not to use them. Good hunting, Enzo.
I take you want to discuss our friend the foreman.
Luke asked me to find Lorenzetti. What can you tell me?
Till today, there wasn't much to tell. He gambles, has a mistress in Colezolfo, an old pot washer named Angelica Vaccaro.
Anything else?
His cousin, Camillo Busio, the socialista, union man. He may have an hand in this. Ask around.
Grazie, Tino.
Don't fuck this up. Just find Lorenzetti and bring him here. I'll do the rest.
Go! Go! Ah, come on! Ah, ammonì! Andiamo! Yeah! Ah!
So, what brings you out here?
Ciao, Pasquale. I just need information. You know Vincenzo Lorenzetti? The foreman at Colle Zolfo?
Yeah, I know him, but I don't see him like I used to. It's always one thing after another with him.
What kind of thing?
Money, and always a good story for why he needs it. Never his fault. But I know he gambles it away, or spends it on that mistress.
When did you last see him?
Months ago. Maybe longer. Try his cousin, Camillo Burgio. He lives over in Colezolfo. He'll know something.
Grazie, Pasquale.
Hey, why don't you take a look around before you go?
Vai! Più veloce, più veloce! Move! Yeah! Ha!
the fucking bastardi. Who are they to tell us what's in our best interest, huh? They're worse than the clan.
What do you want?
I'm looking for Vincenzo Lorenzetti, signora.
You're wasting your time here. I already told your friends I have no money.
Friends? What do you mean?
2 of them. Never seen them before. Rough looking. Came around asking questions just like you.
Is Vincenzo inside, signora?
No. He went out to play cards last night. Hasn't been back since. He'll be caught up in all that trouble at the factory.
Who does he play cards with?
Those idiots from the town. Tonio, Sebastiano, there's a bunch of them. Thick as thieves.
Grazie, signora.
It's not Lorenzetti. This thing goes higher. Who was that? You didn't see those union...
Would have gone with him in a heartbeat, but he didn't want to. You're looking for someone?
Never seen him like that before.
Camillo Burgio? I'm looking for Lorenzetti. I'm a friend.
Let me guess. You're with Fontanella?
And you're with the union. Did you help Lorenzetti arrange his strike?
Wish I had. First I heard about it was him turning the men away at the gate.
That doesn't make sense.
I'm right it doesn't. Vincenzo hates the union. Barely talks to me because of it. Look, you want answers? Go talk to his gambling buddies. Tonio and, Sebastiano. They're together almost every night.
Grazie, signore. I will.
Watch out. Here comes another one.
Any of you Tonio or Sebastiano? Have you seen Vincenzo Lorenzetti lately?
Sure, last night. We were up in his office playing cards, like always. Then these 2 ugly bastardi turned up and make us all leave.
What did they want?
No idea. Not like Vincenzo to leave a game when he's winning. The office is up the hill by the well. Go take a look.
Grazie. Lorenzetti, you in there? Must be another way in. Didn't make this mess up alone. Di puttana! Should check in here too. Spadaros. Tino needs to know about this.
You're the man who's looking for Lorenzetti. Please, out here. Let me show you. Look, down there. If you're looking for Lorenzetti, well, there are armed men down at the factory stripping the place. They dragged Lorenzetti to Fontanella's office, locked the gates.
I'll find a way in. You did the right thing letting me know, signore. I'll take it from here.
Maybe she just isn't letting on.
But listen, this place is off limits.
is it always me stuck outside alone? One for me. How about that?
You know Lorenzetti is one of Torisi's people, right?
What? Il Merlot didn't say anything about that.
Of course he didn't. Would you? Lorenzetti's not that important anyway.
No, I should worry about it. So should you. Dino! Merda, where is he? Dino! Strunzo bastard.
Might be something.
What happened here?
days to clear this whole place.
That's too long. People will start asking questions.
Boss doesn't care.
He doesn't, and I don't either.
I see him! I have him! He's here! I see him!
You Lorenzetti? What happened?
Bastard held me here. Beat me. Took everything. Even Merlo.
He was here?
Chased the workers away. They want to lean on Fontanella.
Okay, tranquillo. Can you move?
No, no.
Lorenzetti! Lorenzetti! Merda!
You can't help your friend. Would not be the first time, huh? We're bleeding your man Fontanella dry. He's finished. Huh? Come on now. I'll explain it all to you. No? Oh. Oh well. Smoke him out.
The whole place is coming down. Easy. Easy.
Out of here, Caruso. Lost one's dead. Ah, there you are.
Rush his position! Guns empty! I'm reloading! Empty! Reloading!
Are you out of your mind? We'll both burn in here.
Not if I make this quick.
Ah!